on Wednesday, the 24th of May at 7:30 here at church, we've got something a little different happening because we're going to be joined with an organisation called the International Christian Embassy of Jerusalem. It's a bit of a mouthful, but come along for it because we're going to be hearing about biblical prophecy regarding Israel, and we're going to have an opportunity to pray for Israel as well. You can join us at 7:30 for that here at Excel Church. So come along as we have these guests coming to share a bit more about this and the vision of the work they're doing over there.
Your words on my lips are unclean. Open my eyes and help me.
From the 8th of June, we're going to be starting a brand new Alpha course where anybody can come and explore the basics of Christianity and explore the big questions of life and faith. So if you fit in that you're interested in this stuff and that you've been thinking a bit deeply about God and what that could mean for your life to have a relationship with Him, or maybe you know someone who is in that place, then get them signed up or sign yourself up through our website for this 7-week course starting on June the 8th. So have a look on our website for more information.
Be more like you. All who share your grace invited in.
Don't forget, we've still got possibly a few extra spaces we can squeeze in for Strength Will Rise, our church weekend away. We cannot wait for this, which is going to be happening at the beginning of June. But remember as well, you can sign up for tournaments. Yeah, I'm going to be signing up for the football, as you can see. It's going to be a good one, guys. So head to our website, excelchurch.org.uk/SWR to get more information, to get booked in if you want to, and to sign up for those tournaments.
Everything inside my soul. In your light, you make me whole.
The next Leadership Development Night is happening on the last Wednesday of this month, and we're going to be joined with Pastor David Lawrence, who's going to be joining us from Stafford. So if you want to come along for that, if you're in a position of leadership here at Excel Church, then we'd love you to join us for this. This is why we put them on, to grow us all as leaders and grow deeper in our faith and in community. So join us for that on the last Wednesday of the month and get signed up online to let us know that you're coming. You can do that on Church Suite or on our website.
My desire, or anything not of you. Open my eyes and help me to see. Purify my heart.
So that's all for Excel News. If you want any more information, just head to our website or head to our social media and you'll find everything there with regular updates. But don't forget, this Wednesday is prayer and Bible study at 7:30. So join us for that this week at church. We'll see you there. Have a great week, guys.